Hey, what's up, fellow brass musicians? You're supposed to clean your horn every month or two, but who has time for that? Today we're going to talk about a quick, fun, and easy way to clean your brass instruments using Spitballs. I've been using these for years, and Spitballs are a fantastic tool for maintaining your instrument's cleanliness and ensuring it sounds its best. So let's dive right in. Spitballs come in a couple of different sizes. The smaller size is for trumpet, cornet, French horn, and small bore trombone. The larger size are for tenor and bass trombone, euphonium, and baritone. Check out the links in the description below for both sizes. So Spitballs are just these small sponge-like balls that are specifically designed to clean brass instruments. They're super absorbent and can effectively remove dirt, debris, and moisture from your instrument's tubing. Now let's see how they work. You just simply insert the spitball into the lead pipe with a pencil or similar object, push the spitball past the receiver, then blow fast air through the lead pipe, propelling the spitball through the instrument. You can use various combinations to send the spitball down a different path. I typically just use one of the spitballs several times for that particular cleaning, unless of course the instrument is particularly dirty. If your horn is really dirty, feel free to use 2 or 3. If you do this every week or two, one spitball container will last you 6 months or so. It should be noted that using these should be a supplement to regularly cleaning your horn, but Spitballs are very effective in between cleanings. Using Spitballs is a quick, fun, and easy way to keep your brass instrument clean and sounding great. If you like this video, check out my video on the 1 key secret to a gorgeous trumpet sound. If you find value here, click like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.